Not going to be able to cut up the videos as we're going. Live stream is way too slow, so I will just cut them up later. Here you go. Valor 118. Good luck, everyone. Murray, Shaw, Aberderis, Discipline, 157, 299. For the Packers, it is M. Royer. Allen, Speed, Namath, and Richardson. Mack, Boyd, Barr, Courage, 339 of 399. For the Vikings is N.A. Bullet, Pryor, Speed, and Quinn. Clowney. First hit. Say Devonta Freeman. Jumbo jersey. For the Falcons, that is Jericho. B-E-I. Nice hit. Morris, Speed, Vic, and Sanders. Freeman, Bortles, Mettenberger, Cooks, Speed, Foles, and Peterson. Pryor, Pierre-Paul, Jones, Clowney, Speed, Rogers, and Johnson. Cutler, Cameron, and a Murray, Valor, 81 of 99. For the Chiefs, this S. Edge. Gore, Speed, Lynch, and Bradford. Nicholas, Garoppolo, Shorts, Speed, Smith, Hopkins, and Bush. Smith, Forte, Brady, Speed, Wright, Roethlisberger, and Young. Carr, Adams, Ridley, Speed, Matthews, Johnson, and Gronkowski. There's a nice one. Andrew Luck. A little two-color jersey piece for the Colts. Texas Love, 78. Nice hit. Those are few and far between. Nice hit. Got a Cutler, Speed. Chancellor, Palomalu, Courage, 380 of 399 for the Steelers. Stephanie, EDG. Roby, Speed, Locker, Stacy, and Favre. Jersey patch, Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. S. Edge. Nice patch. No numbers. Got a Julio Jones, Speed. Are you Texas Love? Peterson, Spiller, Riggins, Speed, Sayers, Thomas, and Tannehill. Is that your luck? Benjamin, Heron, Harvin, Ford, Speed, Miller, and Sherman. Jeffrey, Romo, Ellington, and a Devontae Adams auto. For the Packers is M. Royer. Nice hit. Pierre Paul, Speed, and Hilton. That's a $20 card. Nice. Nice, Nick. You guys are on fire tonight. Williams, Clinton Dix, Lee, got a Welker, Strength, 11 of 499 for the Broncos. S. Edge. Stephanie is killing this box. Sankey, Speed, and Witten. Robinson, Richardson, Foster, Speed, Bradshaw, Elway, and Rivers. Watkins, Landry, Jackson, Speed, Jackson, Manning, and Wallace. Moncrief, Thomas, McCarron, Barr, Strength, 246 of 499 for the Vikings. N.A. Bullet, Cameron, Speed, and Wayne. I don't think there's too many luck patches in this product. I mean, I know he's got parallels and whatnot, but I think that's a pretty tough pull. Archer, Aberderis, Allen, Speed, Nelson, Thomas, and Thomas. Gotta love how they do that. That will do it for Valor 118. Why, we got anything else close? Love to see some more Crown. Stuff is nice looking. I know we've got Black Basketball and 5-star pretty close too. Only 8 teams left in 5-star. Yeah, I didn't think there were any autos, but I knew the I knew there were no autos, but I